Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Sunday morning vlog.
Hello, friends. Welcome to February.
This video is a request from not just one, but several people.
Yes, it's been our to-do list for quite a while, and we finally got around to doing it.
Yeah, we're heading over to the east side of Las Vegas on Boulder Highway, and we're going to
Sam's Town Hotel and Gambling Hall.
All right, get ready, because this adventure starts right now. You asked and we delivered. Welcome to the town of Sunrise Manor, Nevada, the home of Sam's Town Hotel and Gambling Hall. We are on Boulder Highway on the east side of the valley near Flamingo. Sam's Town opened in 1979, one of the very first locals casinos. And talk about successful. The place underwent 8 expansions in its first 21 years, including $86 million spent in 2000 to add the garage, theaters, event center, and pool. Sam's Town started life with an Old West theme, and a lot of the Old West charm still remains on the exterior. Before we go in, let's talk about the Las Vegas KOA here at Sam's Town. This is one of the largest RV campgrounds in the valley with about 500 spaces, full hookups, 2 pools, and lots more. One of the first things you notice upon entering the casino is the tribute to its namesake, Sam Boyd. Mr. Boyd was an Oklahoma native who moved to Las Vegas in 1941 and over his lifetime built one of the largest, most successful casino empires in the world. He is most noted for his innovative and very successful marketing campaigns. He is credited with drawing Hawaiians here to Las Vegas after he built the California Hotel downtown just with his targeted campaigns. In 1975, he established Boyd Gaming, and as they say, the rest is history. This map just shows the reach of the Boyd name from coast to coast. Sam's Town has one of the largest casino floors in Las Vegas, a whopping 120,681 square feet. It is considered part of the Boulder Strip, a group of 32 casinos along Boulder Highway and in Henderson that collectively ranks number 10 in U.S. casino markets by revenue, even more than Reno. Sam's Town caters to the savvy local gambler who appreciates better game rules and odds on their play. The casino decor still has some of its original Old West touches with artifacts on the walls and Victorian light fixtures. The Winchester Bar near the main entrance looks like a perfect fit for the Wild West. The Race and Sportsbook at Sam's Town has no limit wagering and 60 big screen TVs to watch all manner of sporting events live. Just adjacent to it is the Sports Deli, offering hot and cold sandwiches, salads, and a fantastic cappuccino. And on the other side is Billy Joe's Bar in case you'd prefer a brew. Now this is the most notable thing about Sam's Town, Mystic Falls Park. It's a 25,000 square foot atrium with a soaring skylight roof 10 stories above your head. It was added to the property in 1994. The focal point is this gorgeous waterfall, and every evening it's the location for the Sunset Stampede Laser Light and Water Show. Another example of terrific free entertainment right here in Las Vegas. In the atrium, you'll find cobblestone paths, streams, and lush plantings. And just across from the waterfall is the Ram's Head Bar, serving your favorite cocktails along with the light show on Fridays and Saturdays from 4 to 10 p.m. Over here, the general store, well, that is the Mystic Falls Logo Shop, offers snacks and beverages, trinkets, and logo items. We just love the Old West touches in here. This may be the only hotel in town where the check-in desk is in the atrium, but here it is. Sam's Town has 646 rooms, including the Deluxe King, 2 Queens, and even suites with spa tubs. FYI, there is an on-site pool deck, but it was closed the day we visited. Let's talk food. In Mystic Falls Park, you'll find the Angry Butcher. This is a classic American steakhouse in a fun setting. It gets terrific reviews, especially for its amazing hot rolls, and the menu features all your steak and prime rib favorites. Plus, there are chef and drink specials every month. The hotel doesn't have a typical 24-hour cafe, but we think this is even better. Popular national chain TGI Fridays opens at 6 a.m. and stays open until 1 or 2 in the morning for all your cravings. They've got breakfast specials, burgers for lunch, wings and margaritas, and all those Jack Daniels flavored entrees. Plus, it occupies a huge space here on the casino floor, so there'll always be a table available for your party. A couple of other notable sweet stops are Calamity Jane's, who serves up malts, sundaes, and scoops from 2 to 9:30 p.m. every day. And Dunkin' Donuts, the world's leading coffee and baked goods chain that opens at 5 a.m. for your caffeine fix. If you're looking for entertainment, Roxy's Lounge is the place to be. Roxy's has seating for 100 and features some of the best lounge acts in town. Well, let me interrupt this video for just a second because I have a small story I want to tell you about Sam's Town. You all know the story of me coming here to work at the plaza and that all didn't work out with the agent. Well, I needed to do something, so I auditioned. And I mean, I auditioned everywhere. I auditioned for Vegas, the TV show, the Folies Bergère. I was doing all kinds of stuff. Even Steve Rossi had a show. I auditioned for that. Anyway, I went and got a couple of agents, and this one agent decided, because he knew that I also did a single. I could do stuff with a big band, I could do stuff with trio, duos, all that, and I also did a single where I played bass pedals. I think we might have a picture to show it to you. Bass pedals with my feet. I strummed the guitar, and I had a little electronic box next to me, so it was like a one-man band. All right. Cue in this new agent that was looking at me. He saw me do this. He thought it was great. In fact, he liked that better than anything else I did. And he met this girl, and this girl was actually an entertainer that worked with the magician. You know, she was the magician's assistant. They cut her in half, the whole thing. She was, and probably still is, gorgeous. I don't want to say any of these folks' names because I never got their permission to tell this story. Anyway, he calls me up at 8 o'clock at night. I'm sitting at home watching television. He said, "Dale, I got you an audition." I'm going, "Oh, that's terrific. What is it?" He goes, "You and this young lady, you're going to audition down there at Sam's Town." I said, "Oh, great. When is it going to be?" "Tonight at 10 o'clock. I said, "Tonight at 10 o'clock. Yeah. he said, you just got to be there, set up. You're going to do maybe 45 minutes or something, or a half hour or whatever, and they'll see if they like you or not. So I said, well, I don't know if I have time. It's a 2-hour thing. I got to get my stuff together, load my car. And I said, what did this young lady? He said, she's in. She wants to do it. I said, well, that's it. All right, loaded my truck, got down to Sam's Town in the back where they load in this stuff for this lounge. And so we set up. We're on stage. Now, about this young lady, I want to be as delicate as I can about this because she was well endowed from God. Well endowed from God. And it was a blessing and just gorgeous. And on this particular evening, she wore this gold lame, very blousy type of a top that, had the midriff showing, but it was very blousy and everything. All right, you got the idea, all right? So we're on stage. I had written a couple of, now mind you, we didn't have an act at the time. We barely knew each other. So, but we did end up working later on, but this was right early in our meeting. So, we're on stage. I wrote these little lead sheets out for her, and I put them on just a stand so that I could see what we were doing and how it was going to go by. We're all set. She's looking like $1 million. I'm all ready to go. My feet are getting ready to pound down on the Moog bass pedals. The minute I started the first note, the air conditioner or the heater, I don't know which one it was, came on, and the air came down. It blew all the music all over the stage. Instinctively, this lovely young lady in this blousy gold lame outfit bent over. Wait, I didn't tell you something. The audience was out here, out in front. There was a bar, and then the stage was behind the bar, and the stage was up here. So we were up here, bar was here, audience was over here. You got the picture. She instinctively bends over to pick up the music, and yes, you guessed it. Like so many of the Boyd-owned local casinos, Sam's Town has a lot to do under one roof. The THX-certified Century Theaters have updated designs and wall-to-wall curved screens for a great movie-going experience. The arcade next door is open from noon to 7:30. And over here, Sam's Town Live is the versatile performance venue that seats 1,100 when it's configured as a theater. It is also available for events. Down the escalator from casino level is the Sam's Town Bowling Center. These 56 lanes are equipped with LCD screens and the smartest auto-scoring system in the world. Plus, there are 18 animation and themed backgrounds for your play. Also down here, you'll find a pro shop. A snack bar with the obligatory hot dogs, wings, and pizza. And of course, a nice, cozy little bar. The bowling center is open 7 days a week.
Well, let me say, that was definitely a quick whistle-stop tour of Sam's Town, and I regret actually that we didn't stop for a meal because that Angry Butcher really intrigues me.
And also, I was looking, the prices are not that bad.
I love the idea of having a nice steak on that patio in Mystic Falls Park.
Yeah, what a fabulous place. Did you believe that? There is a park actually inside of a casino or a hotel.
And those are full-size trees, tons of lush plantings underneath them, bubbling brooks. It's just a beautiful spot to be.
It's absolutely amazing place. And I'll tell you what, it's not that close to the Strip, but if you're going to Boulder Dam or Boulder City on your way back or your way there, stop in and take a look at Mystic Falls, take a look at Sam's Town.
And great place for families because it's one of those casinos, one of those famous Boyd casinos where it's all-inclusive, things for the kids to do right inside the building.
All right, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Anything else, Paula?
Let me just say it was kind of fun to get away from the Strip and go give some love to a locals casino that you, as a visitor, might never have otherwise seen. Hope you enjoyed it.
All right, hope you had a good time. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.